Hi, my name is Julio Santiago. I'm a 5-year Ninja Warrior veteran. For the last 2 years, I have developed a concept where kids can have fun and also practice personal space. Social distancing is the new norm, and knowing this as a parent and as a teacher, this can be vital for their health and their security. My 3-hour workshop will teach you and your staff how to create a routine where your children will learn the importance of personal space and the respect boundaries. If you know somebody that will be interested in taking this online workshop, please share this video. Register on our website at stronggrip.net for our next workshop. Thank you.